Whether you are brand new to the road or have been driving for miles, taking care of your vehicle is essential to making sure you and your passengers stay safe, while ensuring your car stays in the best shape possible. The following video highlights some of the major areas you'll want to consider when maintaining your car. Please note that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and that a professional should be consulted for further guidance. The following maintenance should be checked approximately every 3 months, or every 3,000 miles. Checking your fluid levels ensures your vehicle will run safely and can help prevent costly repairs. It's recommended to check your engine oil, windshield washer fluid, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid levels every 3,000 miles or every 3 months. Even if your car displays a low tire pressure warning, tire pressure should be manually checked to prevent uneven wear and unsafe driving condition. A quality tire gauge should be used to measure tire pressure. The PSI, or pounds per square inch, recommended for your car's tires is typically found on a sticker near your car's driver door, or in your owner's manual. Check your belts for wear, frays, glazes, or cracks, and your hoses for leaks, bulges, and inflexibility every 3 months or 3,000 miles. These are signs that these parts will need to be repaired or replaced. Consult a professional mechanic for repairs based on mileage for belts and hoses that are not easily accessible, such as a timing belt. These maintenance items should be checked approximately every 6 months or every 5,000 miles. According to Firestone, regularly scheduled oil changes help maintain a healthy engine. As motor oil lubricates and cools the engine, it naturally picks up impurities. This is good. What's not so good, however, is that oil becomes less effective as it ages. That's why regular oil and filter changes are so important. If it's too old, your motor oil can't do its job and protect your engine. How frequently you should change your oil depends on your car's make and model. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual to find this information. Advanced Auto Parts warns that if tires are not rotated on a scheduled basis, they'll wear out at different rates. To get the most mileage and value out of your tires, plan to rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. Be sure to check your lights every 6 months or 5,000 miles to ensure that they are in working order. This includes your headlights, taillights, fog lights, turn signals, and license plate bulbs if applicable. Advanced Auto Parts explains that keeping your car's fuel system clean is critical. A tiny grain of dirt can clog injectors, leading to erratic performance and poor gas mileage. Consult your owner's manual to determine if this is a maintenance item for your vehicle. Checking your battery and cables for corrosion every 6 months or 5,000 miles will prevent reduction of battery performance. If left unchecked, battery corrosion may prevent the battery from accepting or delivering a charge. Karen Grovel, author of the driving book, explains that a dirty air filter reduces your gas mileage, as well as the lifespan of your motor. The advanced team notes that depending on where you drive, this should be checked every 6 months to 1 year. Check your windshield wipers to ensure they are not streaky or making patchy contact with your windshield. Depending on the type of windshield wiper blade you select for your vehicle, these can last anywhere from 6 months to 3 years. These maintenance items should be checked approximately once a year or every 10,000 miles. The advanced team explains that brake problems tend to make themselves known. Most commonly, worn pads will make a squealing sound by design. Because they're such an important safety item, it is highly encouraged to periodically check all 4 brakes. Look at pad materials, rotors, and inspect for brake fluid leaks. A car in need of a wheel alignment may pull to the left or the right, but this isn't always the case. Checking your car's alignment can prevent issues that can lead to premature wear on tires, so check this approximately once a year or every 10,000 miles. The Ocean County Library has many resources to assist you in taking care of your vehicle. The Chilton Library database, found on our website at theoceancountylibrary.org, offers resources on automobile maintenance, step-by-step repair instructions, vacuum and wiring diagrams, recall notices, and more for the do-it-yourself car buff or auto mechanic. This database can be accessed anytime, anywhere with your Ocean County Library card. Looking to sell your vehicle or trade it in? Check out our Galv's Auto Price List database, which offers used car trade-in prices that are updated daily based on current dealer-to-dealer auction prices and wholesale vehicle transaction data. Visit us at any branch of the Ocean County Library System to utilize this database. Thank you for watching Adulting 101's Basic Car Care. Check out more awesome programs and resources on our YouTube channel and at theoceancountylibrary.org. We'll see you next time.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.